Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting straight to the controls. Open the camera menu or tether software and navigate to picture profile or color matrix. Explain why. Manufacturers lock sensor output but allow processing via profiles, so this is the only reliable route to change color. Once done, back up the default profile and record exposure settings so you can compare. Make sure to pick a controlled white balance first. It underpins every subsequent color adjustment and prevents chasing shifts later. You now edit the profile, tweak hue, saturation, and color tone sliders while observing a neutral chart so changes are measurable. Explain how. The profile maps sensor data to color output, so small matrix or LUT edits produce predictable shifts across all images. Once you import or save a new 3D LUT, apply it and shoot test frames. Make sure to check skin tones and highlights. Those are the most sensitive indicators of natural versus artificial color rendering. You finish by saving the adjusted profile and assigning it to your active shooting modes so it applies consistently. Explain why. Persistent profiles prevent accidental reversion and ensure predictable color across sessions. Once saved, run quick tests under tungsten, daylight, and mixed light and make tweaks to preserve highlights and skin tones. If colors shift unexpectedly, reset to the backup default, recalibrate with your neutral chart, and reapply incremental changes. This isolates the source and prevents compounding errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.